So we got our 1988 Quadrunner 300, and we got some worn grips that are loose, but we got to get this off anyway because choke cable, the choke lever rubber it's sliced and broken up. See, so we're gonna get this taken care of. And they're kind of rough. We'll get some sandpaper on there. There. Yeah, we gotta get this all apart in order to get that on, don't we? Yeah. So this comes off. This slides off. We gotta line this nipple up with. There, I got it. Yeah, I think I should stretch. I can be able to stretch that over. Well, let me get one bolt in and make sure I can stretch it over.
Thank you so much for watching. I make videos like this often. If this helped you out or you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button below and consider subscribing. Please also consider donating using the link in the description below, which helps keep this channel going. Hope to see you in the next video.